Hey, just wanted a quick video to show you how to search for a parcel on the Hancock County website and then how to get the information on the tax parcel. So this is the website address. You can also just Google Hancock County GIS. So we're going to search for a parcel of land that we've got upcoming for construction to start. Go to there, search. Switch from owner name to parcel number, then paste that into the box. Did the right one, yep. Search. And that gives the owner's information and everything else. You can close that out. What we want to do is zoom out just a little bit to make sure we get some relevant information like cross streets, other people's houses and things like that, so who's looking at this lot can see it. Go to snipping tool, new, take a snippet, and then you can just file and save as, and save it as the lot. I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is all. Thanks.